screwing around and start!
Alright, game 2, windups versus Mecha and Plane Beast. Windups took game 1. I'll put a link onto the screen somewhere in the midst of this field to the game 1. And the better man says he's going to go first, so.
That's interesting.
Alright.
Set 4, go.
Alright. Drop your turn. Go.
Set. Go.
Cards in hand?
1.
Cards in hand. Oh, can I check your graveyard?
Yeah.
Alright, okay. So, normal summon? Tribute a windup other than himself.
Combos.
Go.
Summon. Go ahead.
Drop turn. Summon warrior. Tribute a card, is it? Oh,
yep.
Wow. That's interesting, actually. Yeah, go.
Black Falcon.
Oh, what does he do?
When he attacks, I get a token. When he declares an attack, I get a token.
Yeah, sure.
Declare attack, get a token, or response to effects.
No.
Response to attack. Go ahead.
Turn back row. Darkle.
Okay.
Reveal shark. Summon
Can I see shark?
Yeah, it's a reveal to activate, so if you have a max C.
Okay.
Battle phase.
Well,
Alright. Main phase 2. Call the hunted.
sure.
Target monster.
Yeah.
Is that good? Alright, summons.
Yeah.
Level force. Casto.
Cool.
Casto effect. Double detach.
Divine Wrath.
Alright. Go.
Draw. Set. Declare attack.
Yep.
Summons token. I take 200. Go ahead.
Draws return. Please for days. Turn that upside down so I don't forget about it. Rat.
Sure.
Rat effect.
Yep.
Summon warrior. Warrior effect on rat.
Sure.
2 level 4s.
Black Ship of Cornsmith.
Detached warrior.
Target.
Sign for that.
Yep.
Battle phase. Attack. Oh my gosh. Go.
Draw.
Oh yeah, you take 1,000.
Yep. Normal summon?
Yeah.
Sink 5.
Oh, he doesn't game level. That's cool. Alright.
Attack Wrath. Rabbit.
What is it? This card attacks or is attacked?
Cannot activate cards or effects.
Alright, so what's the difference?
900.
900. Alright.
Go ahead.
Draw for turn. Judy Crow on a lion.
Oh, a lion's effect gives the token. Sorry about that.
Judge. No, I'm just
It's mandatory.
What's
It's
my
not
extra really
mandatory,
quick?
it's canvas timing.
Alright. Black chip of corn on your token.
I take no damage because it doesn't go to the graveyard.
Oh yeah. Alright. Reveal shark.
Yeah.
2 level 3s. Is that good?
Yeah.
Buy it then, in fact.
Sure. 200.
Go.
End phase.
Moral attack.
End phase of your turn.
It doesn't work on my turn?
No.
Oh, I thought it was just the pop effect. Yeah, go.
Set. Go.
Draws for turn. Set. 21.
Scapegoat.
Attacks 2 tokens. Go.
Summon Tether Wolf.
Yep.
Get a token.
How's that? He might actually do something in this game. Truly Chernobyl.
Declare attack.
Is it when he declares an attack? Oh wow.
It's
Okay.
during damage calc.
Alright.
Damage calc.
Yep.
Tribute.
It's any token?
Yep. Tribute token.
Dang. 800. So what's 800 plus
25.
25, so they crash?
Yep.
But he doesn't die.
Yeah.
My turn?
Go.
Attack my Fan of Beast token. Go.
Attack. Damage dead.
So for that's 21 versus 25,
24.
so 400.
400, yeah.
400 from me.
Go.
End phase, MST. Rabbit effect.
So much hatred.
What's in my grave?
Bunch of sharks.
Truly Chernobyl.
One top deck becomes the question. It's a bunch of cards that are good, but at the same time.
Rat. What is it at?
55, U, 66.
65, 66. Just letting them know, obviously.
Would you add rat?
Yep, rat. Go.
Think.
Thinking.
Normal summon?
Sure, I don't know what he does.
Nothing's active. 17.
Nope.
16.
Alright.
3,300 total.
Oh.
I'm at 22.
Main phase. I hate the fact that I know what you have, but I have to freaking do stupid stuff. Wait, before I summon, or before I choose, you have cast out, which means you can't make shark, but 1,500 defense means anything else doesn't matter.
I have.
I don't want to force you to draw either of those cards, so I can show you. Here you got needs to be summoned. I don't care if you
Alright.
shark it. Detach. Search.
Truly true noble. Oh yeah, shout out to the guy who said he should run it.
Yeah.
And Mocking and Fortress, yeah. So if you're watching this and you were back then, back here, over there, whenever, here we go. This is once again some proof of that what you guys say has influence on us. It's not like we're just like screw you and screw you and screw you. That sounds good. Ignores. Sirens because it's Friday night in Campus Town. Terrifying.
Just in case.
All right.
Let's see how much damage you can do.
Heart of the cards give me exactly what I need.
Don't do that after the cards go.
Draws return.
Yeah. Here it is. Here it is. I did so.
I know we can get a shark because he has rat.
I can get anything I want. I can do whatever I like.
But I don't think he can get the. I don't think he can get 5,500 damage or 6,600 damage.
He did.
Rat effect?
Yeah.
His
Factory.
sharked it over. Or
Well, I can't summon. Her effect activates, yes.
And then factory.
Factory activate. Oh wait, do I get a search? Oh my gosh, I do. That is the greatest news I've heard all day. Because I never use Rat's effect while there's a factory out. When it
Yeah.
activates.
So
Then I search this. Then Rat special summons.
yeah, he's gonna get a decent amount of attack.
Hunter.
Yep.
Then I special summon from hand. Shark. Hunter tributes Rat to discard a card. 2 level 3s. Invoker. Invoker effect.
Do you play 2 warrior? He does play 2 warrior.
That's why I always win at tournaments, is because I have the second warrior.
I don't think you can do enough damage now.
That's like ghost around.
2 level 5s. The fortress.
It'll do 4,100 damage.
Alright, so attack for 100. 24. 16. You have 25, I have 22. Go.
And that's game. Okay.
And as always, we're going to do our bonus game 3. And because it's the better man, it means I'm going to lose this next game really bad. But I don't know. Hopes for me. Keep your fingers crossed. Thanks for watching, and as always, we'll do deck profiles after the series.